Can you reach billionaire or Daridra Yoga? In 2022, according to numerology, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6. This year is ruled by Venus, and in India, more than 4 states have to meet election. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Goa, and also the election of our president and election of our vice president. According to planetary position, the Jupiter, who is in the Kumbha Rashi, Saturn is in its own Rashi, Magar Rashi. Rahu will change in April to Mesha Rashi and Kedu will be in Libra. The Jupiter will stay in till April 14th in Kumbha Rashi. Then it moves to Meen Rashi. So main planets Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu moving. Normally Mars will be 45 days in a Rashi. This year, the beginning of this year is have Vasundhara Yoga, Chandala Yoga, Kalasarpa Yoga, etc. This year also be complicated. And this year, those who are born in the 6, 15, 24 will be enjoying the fruits of the year and very good for them because of the year also ruling by their number. Those who are born in the 3, 2 have to face some problems. In India, the different states have election. Who will win in the election? We have to search. And the economy of India will rise or boost. We India base on agriculture. So the products of agriculture will increase. Our great Modi, the Prime Minister of India, grants 6,000 rupees for farmers, 3 cents to 3 hectares. That also for develop the agriculture. And almost all our godowns will fill with rice, paddy, wheat, and cereals, etc., etc. So that also good for the people of India. And the Vasundhara Yoga is also continue. Egasme Valsare Jive Saptakodivi. The Vasundhara Yoga also continue till October. So the coronavirus changed its form into another viral form. In 1920, 100 years back, the same has happened. During that period, the virus which starts from China and spreads European countries and Asian countries. Now also in 2019, the coronavirus started. But in 2021 last, it changed form and that is more complicated to the public. And according to Vasundhara Yoga, It kills 7 crores of people, and people have fear of disease, fear of death, and fear of finance. Most of them have faced financial problems till April. And after April, multinational companies will invest India. That will good for the Indian economy, and we can export the forestry goods and seafoods etc. to foreign countries. That will increase our foreign money. So economy will be more good. According to India's chart, Lucknow is Taurus, Moon is in the Cancer, and from Lucknow, Rahu and seventh will be Ketu, and in the third house, Moon, Mercury, Venus, etc. So this year is more good for the farmers, more good for the industries. Those who are interested in finance and financial investments will be good for India. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come the continuation of the 2022 millionaire or Daridra Yoga.